So hello guys, so I got this Infosys welcome kit 1 week ago, and my training was started 2 months ago, and after 2 months I got this Infosys kit. If you are doing the training, though, don't worry, you will get the Infosys kit definitely in 1 or 2 months after your training. So let's unbox it. So this is the box you get, and you have to unbox this box. So look at this. This is the main box of the Infosys you will get. So let's see what is inside in this box. So I'm going to open it. So see, I have already opened it before, so I'm doing for you again. So these are the things you will get in this box. Here is the some welcome. See, here is the welcome letter from the Infosys you will get, and these are the things inside it. So this is the water bottle. This is the water bottle you will get, and this is very nice water bottle. So it is very fit in this box. So look at this water bottle. This is the Infosys water bottle you will get. It's good quality water bottle. Then you will get the pen from the Infosys. So see, this is the pen you will get. Then this is the diary for your to-do list, or you can use for the meetings also. This is the diary you will get. So my training is going on now. So it's May 2021, and my training will complete in 1 month. So this is the cube you will get, and this is the box for your cards, for your debit cards, credit cards. You can put inside this box. So I will show you after opening. So see, this is the box, and it is very good quality box, nice one. And this is the cube. So this shows it is like the you have to download this ARF from the Play Store, and after downloading, if you scan this its front side, then you will get some virtual reality like that in that particular app. So these are the things you will get. So I will show you. So guys, look at this box. So this is how it is folding in all the direction. So it is, you can play with this also. But main use of this is that you can download this app and you can enjoy it. So yes, this is the welcome kit. These are the all things you will get, and it is the very nice and good things that are very useful for us. Thank you. So if you are doing the training, you will get in 1 or 2 months in your home. So it is delivered to your home. They will call you, and you have to pick up that box then. So thank you.